My name's Michelle Richey and I'm a senior lecturer at Loughborough Business School. I've been a research lead for a long time in refugee settings, but also in spaces where people are typically left out of economic opportunities and typically are voiceless in creating opportunities and being included in mainstream economy and work and livelihoods. So the Refugee Entrepreneurship Network is an organisation that exists to convene a community across lots of different organisations around the idea that people can thrive on the power of their own ideas even after a difficult experience like displacement. The reason that this space is so important and so impactful for individuals who've experienced forced displacement is that the regular business support scene is not very well equipped to see to their specific needs. So to give you some examples of the kinds of businesses that are created across this network, it really varies, and of course we're talking about an international network, from the very small self-employed business person running a hairdresser or creating a product like the one you see me wearing here, to businesses that scale.
Hi, I'm Akbar from Uzbekistan city, Samarkand. I'm a street food vendor as well as catering. We're doing festivals as well. When my wife, she found these good organizations, and then after first day, boom, it was completely different then, and I said, okay, yeah, let's do that. They helped us a lot. Without them, maybe I wouldn't start.
My name is Fatma. I'm an entrepreneur and a refugee from Yemen. I do social media full-time, but I'm also a co-founder at an organization called Your Echo, which is an international organization that works to benefit and empower Yemeni youth, both in Yemen and abroad, culturally and educationally. I'm here today because of my background as a refugee. It is an opportunity for me to not only be able to present the event, but also speak and contribute to the refugee entrepreneurial community.
Part of this environment is this perpetual narrative about who refugees are and what they want, and it's continually hostile, but it has a direct impact on projects like the Refugee Entrepreneurship Network, where funding can be cut quickly, suddenly, and absolutely. It can absolutely destroy a project that's bringing a lot of economic benefit to an area.
I think it's very important to host such events because it's important not to work in silos. It's always an excellent idea to come together and seek more opportunities for refugee entrepreneurs and to really understand not only their backgrounds, but also how we can boost their activities and their initiatives moving forward.
Demand for these projects always outstrips what we can supply. The businesses grow and they survive for more than 2 years, sometimes to 10 years, which outperforms typical business survival rates. They repay loans beyond typical business repayment rates, and they represent a real viable, exciting investment opportunity in an age when we don't often talk about human investment, we talk about tech investment.
If we empower refugees and welcome them into the community, we are benefiting everyone in the long run.